Hello everyone, we present you Aspire, a guiding light for students, which is an application created using Java which will help the students to plan their schedule according to the exam timetable. It will also provide the students with proper notes and a teacher support facility which will help them clear their doubts whenever they feel necessary. It will also make it easier for students as well as the faculty to keep track of students' progress. Now my teammates will tell you more about the project.
One of the main problems the student face with rigorous exam sessions is that it can get really puzzling and difficult for students to concentrate on completing what topic is important for the exams. And while being punctual for studying is quite important, for the better understanding of the topic, it is seen that students are often not able to keep up with the scheduled time. Getting doubts at odd times is pretty common during exams, which cannot be resolved due to obvious non-availability of expert academic guidance. Also, due to so many options on online resources and apps, the study resources during the preparation of exams feels cluttered and unorganized, which makes studying experience little less efficient.
The solution that we are offering to the problems earlier discussed by my friend is Aspire. Aspire is an application created using Java which helps students to excel in studies. Aspire provides students access to important e-learning resources for their studies which can be easily accessible from anywhere and any time, and makes it easy for students to study as per their convenience. We are providing a feature of teacher support to clear students' doubts by easily interacting with their faculty and get their guidance for even better solutions. We also provide time and period based schedules which help students to plan accordingly for their exams and prepare efficiently. Technology we have used to create our project is Java and Java Swing. The graphical user interface is made using Java Swing and all the code has been done in Java.
This is the demo of our app. This will be our home screen and our logo. The name of our app will be Aspire. This is our menu. We provide three options: exam help, e-resources and teacher support. We'll go through each one of them one by one. So the first one we'll select is exam help. Exam help, we provide two classes currently, which is 10th and 12th. So if we select 12th, it will give the list of common 7 subjects in both 10th and 12th. So in 12th the common subjects are these. So we select maths, English, physics, chemistry and bio. Number of months before exam we consider 2. So it shows, so this will show us the subjects which we selected. So if we select maths, it will tell us the maths days that it requires for the subject, the important subject chapters in maths, and also the advice given by the topper. Same will be for English, physics and bio. These advice and important chapters are taken from internet sources and from statements of toppers, so they are very important, and the total days will include revision plus the days given in these. Then we go on to check e-resources. When we check e-resources, we have provided here notes and paper for the common subjects that require it. So if we click onto notes, directly a PDF of the notes will open on your PDF opener. But as there are many papers that we have to look into, it will open up your folder where the papers are there. Like for example, if we click maths papers, so it will have the 6 papers of maths which will help in seeing the pattern of the question. Same is for other subjects and for the class 10th. The last and but not the least option is teachers support. Teacher support is important because we write many emails to a teacher. So this will create a predefined email for the sir and for the reason you're writing the email. So if we are writing for doubts regarding the marks, so we just have to select both and the roll number and the badge, and like Dr. Prabhu I have noted as a teacher for Java. So when you generate an email, it will automatically fill that it is for a Java subject. It will also write a predefined email, and you just have to fill in the blanks for sending the email. As it is Java Swing and not Android, we can't redirect you to an email app. Hence, you just have to copy these email and paste it on your email, and it will be done. This has everything. It has a proper format. It will have your roll numbers, and also if you just want to write up, you just want the email, and on a full email, you just want the email address, so you can just copy paste the email address and write your own email. So this is done for the demo. I'm going to talk about the future plans of our app. So in the future, it planning upgrading from Java Swing to Android to make it more accessible, as currently the PDFs and the folders can't be accessed on all computers, as the directories are mentioned of the computers used in making the project. Also, the email is not redirected to a website or an app. Instead, the user has to currently copy paste the predefined email, which is a big downside. Also, the second thing we plan on doing is implementing AI in our app, which will make the exam help more personalized according to the user's strengths and weakness. Also, we plan in implementing it to the email, making the predefined email sound more like the user's style of writing, and that will help our app in a huge way, giving us a huge advantage over other apps in the same field.
We realize that this type of e-learning platform is very important in times like these, where the entire world is suffering from the pandemic COVID-19, which has resulted in closing of many institutions. Many schools and colleges doesn't have an online platform, so Aspire will be a great support to them. It will also guide the students that they studied, even in times like these. I hope you have understood our project by now. Thank you for watching the video.